collected all of the money and I'm going to South twice. Hello my lovely people and welcome to this video. Today is a really exciting topic. It's like I'm interesting med läsbart. A bit of like man in a group. I dance and work. And there's some people nästan så glad och nästan yes, yesterday quick you know that people told you hälsan och grejer tjuver just a kul så det är det just och det är det du har if you work just enough. So after a couple of days after the video, I asked my women and my dear niece felt like they live a lot of people like changing yesterday or just their blessings. So they will just coaching or they will just no therapy or doctors helping training never mind. So just saknade efter läsningen så sett det out. Okay, so jag väldigt. So I asked my women to ask if the question they feel like that they live for people thinking is that they really are blessings and you see, lectures now very powerful and one of them was, yes, I feel like because it's not their fault that they don't have the money. And this time I heard it. And I just like felt hurt my soul because yes, it's maybe it's not their fault that it's a disability. So the video lät mig wrong, lät mig ställa att couple of years ago, on my head. Okay, couple of years ago, I found a doctor in South Korea that happened at my dystonia condition. And I remember being so excited the second I Googled could you you will find on Google if you Google that words. And I read an email and just kind of festival it's like $30 and I understand, of course. Yes, just my feel that I didn't have the money, that just had the ability to collect and go to the area. It's just exactly what I did. I felt that making like the actions, gigs, gallery promotions igen för mig själv alone. Jag later för mig to collect money. And yes, my friends, family, people, even from the internet started to join, and that happened after a year, only 1 year. I collected all of the money and I went to South Korea twice, which means if you take a responsibility and take the real action, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Jag vill inte säga det med förmögenhet, especially for my women that work with business, and especially when they say, well, they will have the money. Like, what if their responsibility, if they can get it, will be the initiative, they will find the way. Same as I found a way for myself. I will tell you twice. I will tell the story of my journey there. And even I will do video that I just wanted to give you this perspective. Same as you had job, my coaching. Like, some of you guys will be like, okay, I want to work with me. I am not a manager, or do I get it? Okay, you're so important to me. I will find a way. That was my mindset, and I went over there and collected all the money for my treatment, and I just did for my business coaching as well, for my business mentor as well, for my therapist as well, because it's my well-being and focus. It's my business and focus and question, and I have doubts. Of course, it's easier than you have someone to guide you. So, the bigger understanding they have in just the deal is if you need someone to guide you, it's the best time to sign up with me now. Especially if you are a person with disability, because I'm someone who walks in your shoes. I don't know how it is. I don't know all the BS you've been through and all the, like, fucked up things I hope that you will not find nothing there word. But look at that, I don't know how it is, and that hurts my soul to see people think because of this when there is a solution. And if you don't take like anything from this video, take this. There always a way. It's just important enough for you. Okay, my email is below. If you want to work with me, send me up on my email and let's do this shit.